Sometimes when I try to touch you in my imagination, sometimes when I think of you, the reality gets confused between the truth and my illusions. I want you so much that I can't stop thinking of you. Sometimes when I'm alone, I start thinking about you. Sometimes I forget that I can go beyond horizons that bring me your love, like a beautiful star in the night. It makes me happy, really happy, and everything feels alright. When I'm with you in this imaginary world, the feeling that it's real is so amazing. I want you to be my man, love me forever. I know you're my dearest, the sweetest one of all. Love me now. When I'm with you in this imaginary world, the feeling that it's really real is so amazing. I want you to be my man, love me forever. I know you're my dearest, the sweetest one of all. Let's be Sometimes I open my eyes and you are not here. I feel the wind blowing, you're so far away from here. I wrote a song to tell you that I love you. I miss you so much that I can't stop thinking of you. Sometimes I find myself drawing hearts on paper, sometimes with it there are only tears that fall, tears falling from my eyes, because I want you here to complete our love. I will always be here. When I'm with you in this imaginary world, the feeling that it's real is so amazing. I want you to be my man, love me forever. I know you're my dearest, the sweetest one of all. Love me now. When I'm with you in this imaginary world, the feeling that it's really real is so amazing. I want you to be my man, love me forever. I know you're my dearest, the sweetest one of all. Let's be one. Let's be one.